Hi guys, I got this 2-pack of Downy Wrinkle Release spray. They are in travel sizes. If you're like me and you hate to iron, I definitely use this a lot. We take them on a cruise or anytime we're vacationing. Once our clothes go in a suitcase, we like to make sure, and I know on a cruise, they are really against having irons. So we use this. I've also used it on sheets because I like having smooth sheets. However, I do not like to iron them. So I use this to make my sheets all straight. But when you're not next to an iron or you just need something quick, keep it in your desk at work, keep it in your car. You know, we all have those days where we just jump out of bed and grab whatever, and when you're wrinkly, this just kind of freshens it up. It does not, the scent is very mild. It smells like Downy fabric softener, so if you just need a refresh, I would definitely suggest having these. And again, it comes in a 2-pack of 2 travel bottles. Thanks.